Alright, we're here with Professional Fisherman JT Kenney on a rainy weekend at Lake Cumberland, Kentucky. JT and Holland Grill have been partners now for 2 years. JT, you've been a pro fisherman for what, 20 years?
Yep, almost 20 years.
It's obvious that you love what you do.
I do.
And by some of the videos I've seen, it's obvious you love cooking on a Holland Grill.
That is one of my favorite things.
A lot of the fishermen here with FLW have bought Holland Grills,
They have.
and every one of them has bought it because of what you told them. What do you tell these guys when they ask you about it?
You know, there's so many great things about the Holland Grill, but there's a couple of things that really make it stand out, and it's completely different from all other grills. One of the main things is it does not flare up at all. You can put the food in it, shut the lid, walk away, come back, and a certain amount of time, whatever you're cooking needs to take, and it'll be done. You don't have to worry about anything. It is the easiest grill in the world to cook on. But there's a nice added little bonus that most people don't realize. When Brad Holland designed the grill to not flare up, he did something that he didn't even know he was doing. When he made the drip pan underneath of the food, of the cooking grate, that's the stuff, the juices drip down onto that drip pan, and that's what keeps it from flaring up. Well, the burner is under that drip pan, so it actually, when the juices drop out of the food, it hits that drip pan, and it literally steams its own juices back up into the whatever you're cooking, whether it be chicken, pork, whatever, and that's what gives it that unique Holland Grill flavor.
And you know, JT, you travel all over the country during the tournament season, and I've seen you bring your Holland Grill with you. Didn't you cook up a bunch of fish last night?
I keep a companion in the back of my truck all the time. A companion is just a little small one, but it's the exact same setup, burner underneath of a drip pan, and then the cooking grate, same thing, put the food on, shut the lid, walk away, you're done, and it's going to have that unique Holland Grill flavor because of that drip pan.
And it's basically, in the bottom line is, it's real easy to use and the food tastes great.
It is the easiest grill in the world. You don't have to keep looking at it, making sure it's not on fire. If you look at the Holland Grill cookbook, you say you want to cook whatever it is, and it says to cook it for this many minutes, you fire that thing up, put it in there, shut the lid, come back that many minutes later, your food's done, and it's going to be the best grilling experience of your life. Well,
thanks, JT. Now, how can people follow you on Facebook or your website?
All of my social media is at JT Kenney Fishing. Come check it out. I got a lot of YouTube videos. It's also JT Kenney Fishing, highlighting Holland Grill stuff, or you can check out Holland Grill at hollandgrill.com.
Thanks, JT.